Welcome back to Engineering CAD Design and Prototypes. Today we are going to create this simple part using SolidWorks according to this drawing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. Open a new part. Select front plane, sketch. Take center rectangle, smart dimension 40 mm and 50 mm. 50 and 40. Now we have to draw one circle. The diameter will be 20 mm, and here we have 20 and 20. Okay, take circle. Let's define this one. The diameter 20 mm, as I said. Here we have 20 and 20. Okay, say yes. Go to Features, select Extruded Boss Base. Here we select mid plane, and the thickness will be 20 mm. See, 20 mm. Say yes. Let me choose please plain white. And complete. Okay, now select top plane, sketch. Take corner rectangle. Let's define this one. So select smart dimension. Here we have 20 mm. Here 40 mm. Now press shift button, select this midpoint and the origin point and make them horizontal. Okay, and select this line and this one and make them collinear. Say yes. Now go to center point arc. We have to design this arc. Okay, select midpoint. Okay, trim entities, delete this one. Say yes. Now select smart dimension. The radius will be 20. Say yes. Press shift button, select the origin point and this point, center point, sorry, and the origin point, and make them horizontal. Now the sketch is fully defined. Say yes. Take circle. The diameter will be 20 mm. This one, 20. Okay, say yes. Go to Features, select Extruded Boss Base. You see, from here select mid plane, and the thickness will be 10 mm. See, 10 mm. Okay, say yes. Okay, now go to fillet. Items to fillet, select this one and this one. select this one and this one. Okay, say yes. Select isometric view. Okay, I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe this channel, and leave a comment with your feedback.